Welcome to Kishore's NEET Padasala. In this video lecture, we will solve certain numericals in the projectile motion. Before coming to this video, please watch the previous videos on projectile motion. This is the first video we have, this is the first numerical we have in the projectile motion. For an object projected from the ground with speed u, horizontal range is 2 times the maximum height reached. That is, the range is 2 times the maximum height reached. They are asking what is the horizontal range. I have set an equation that tan theta is equal to 4h by r in the previous video lecture. So tan theta is equal to 4h by this I am substituting here 2h. So tan theta is equal to 2. So 2 by 1 I can say. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Then what is the hypotenuse side? Let us find it out. That is root of 2 square plus 1, which is root 5. This is the hypotenuse side. What is the horizontal range formula? Range formula is u square sine 2 theta by g. So I can say u square sine 2 into sine theta cos theta by g. Cos theta by g. Here from this we are writing that opposite side is root 2, adjacent side is 1 and the hypotenuse side is 5. What is the value of sine theta? Which is 2 by root 5. What is the value of cos theta? Which is 1 by root 5. These things we are substituting in this equation. R is equal to u square into 2 into sine theta is 1 by root 5. Cos theta, which is sine theta is 2 by root 5, cos theta is 1 by root 5 divided by g, which comes out to be 4 u square by 5g. So the fourth option is the correct answer. The velocity at maximum height of the projectile is root 3 by 2 times the initial velocity. What is the range they are asking? The simple formula I would have given, v is equal to u cos theta. They have given that velocity at maximum height is root 3 by 2 times the initial velocity. So this velocity is root 3 by 2 times the initial velocity. So cos theta comes out to be root 3 by 2. So the theta is nothing but it is 30 degree. What is the horizontal range formula? Which is u square sine 2 theta divided by g. So u square sine of 2 into 30 degree by g. So u square sine 60 is root 3 by 2g. So the answer is root 3 u square by 2g. The first option is the correct option. This is another one numerical. This numerical I would have given a direct formula. The first part of the projectile motion, that is, what is the question? When a particle is projected at some angle with horizontal, it has a range r and time of flight t1. If the same particle is projected with same speed at some other angle, it is having the same range and the time of flight is t2. I have given a certain formula like this. If they are giving that same range is given and 2 different times of flight are given, then it is nothing but range is equal to 1 by 2 into g into t1 t2. The direct formula I would have given. So here they are asking to find the correct relation. So I can say that 2 into r by g is equal to t1 t2. This I am modifying like this. Is there any relation like this? You check out. See the third option, t1 into t2 is equal to 2r by g. So third option is the correct answer. Next, this is one concept you must remember. Suppose if they are giving that x is equal to at and y is equal to bt minus ct square, then the initial velocity is root of a square plus root of b square, and tan theta is nothing but b by a, where theta is the angle with horizontal. This is the thing you must remember. Based on this, I have given one numerical. y is equal to 4t minus 2t square, x is equal to 3t. Find the angle of projectile. Find the angle of the projectile with vertical. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3 is the relation. Based on this formula we can write, where here theta comes out to be this. I would have given you a separate triangle in the first part of the video lecture. A special triangle I would have given you, that is, if this is a triangle with this angle 53 degree, then this is 5 4 3. So tan theta is 4 by 3. So the angle is 53 degree. This angle is with the horizontal, but in the question they are asking what is the angle with the vertical. Angle with the vertical is 90 minus 53 degree, which comes out to be 37 degree. 37 degree is the angle with the vertical. This is another one question we have. The same, this I had said in the previous video concept, that if two horizontal ranges are equal, then the angles of the projectile must be complementary angle, that is pi by 2. Here one angle is pi by 8. What is the another angle with horizontal they are asking? So theta is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 8 into 4, so which is 3 pi by 8. This is the angle of projection of another projectile with horizontal. This is the last numerical which we are going to see. If they have given like this equation, they are asking what is the angle of projectile with x-axis, that is along the horizontal. What is the angle of projectile they are asking? Y is equal to ax, I am taking it as common, then 1 minus bx by a. This I am comparing with the equation y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Stand. This tan theta is compared with this a, and by comparing these two equations, tan theta is equal to a we get. Tan theta is equal to a, because here x is there, here also x is there. Tan theta is compared to a, so theta is equal to tan inverse of a. So this is the angle of projection of the projectile with x-axis. I hope you like this lecture. Please subscribe Kishore Sneak Pathasala. Thank you.